Hello my dear people. So in our last video we have seen how to create a project in DearERP, and we have asked it to install an application as well, so which is sales application, and of course it did a fabulous job by installing it by following our instructions. So in today's video what we'll do, we'll ask it, we'll give it a custom task. So we'll give it a task and let's see how it works. So let's get started. So from our previous video, we remember I have asked it to install a sales module. So, and it has done the job fabulously. So now what I want to do is, in the sales module, in sales order, basically we need to select a customer. So I'll show you step by step. So let me open my Odoo. So by clicking this button itself, I can redirect to my Odoo. See, as simple as that. So now I'll go to sales. Okay, so there are no quotations as of now. So let me create one customer. I don't think I have this contacts app installed. So okay, let me ask it to install contacts app. Please install contacts app. So okay, so as I want it to perform some action, I need to switch off the read only mode. As it is currently off now, no issues. I can simply press enter. It will take the command, it will process it, and it will install the contacts app. Let's see what it will do. Okay, so it is saying that the contacts app successfully installed. Contacts app has been installed. Okay. It's not available. Okay, let me see whether it is installed or not. Not installed yet. Okay, let me refresh. Wow, it has installed contacts app for me. Okay, okay. So yeah, so I want one contact as well. I'll ask it to create a contact. Create one contact with name as test customer. Let's see whether it creates or not. Okay, it's saying contact created successfully. So let me check. Wow, it has created a test customer contact. Nice. Okay, so here there is no email, there is no phone number, there is nothing because we haven't provided anything. And by default, it has to chosen it as person, because if we haven't specified anything, we haven't told it whether it is a company or a person, so it took the default values and all. Okay, no issues. So I'll go and give some phone number to this customer. Please put 98 as test customers phone number, and please put test customer at some.com, test customers email, and test customer is a company, not individual. Please update these. Let's see whether it do the thing for me or not. Okay, it's saying contact successfully updated. Let me check. Oh wow, it has updated it successfully. Wow, very good. Okay, and I want I want one more contact as test vendor. Let's say test customer 2 with test customer 2. It is a company. Phone number is 9988994466. Email test customer 2 at dear.in. I'm just giving some random data. So let's see. Okay, there is some reply. Okay, test customer 2, type company, phone number, email. Okay, let's see whether it has created or not. hmm It has created the details, everything. Wow, everything's good. See, I haven't done anything here. I just simply gave a command and it does the job for me. Yeah. So now in sales order, I'll show you. So see, there is a customer here. I can select a customer, test customer. So I don't see any information of the customer anywhere. What I'll do, I need to see the email ID of this customer under here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll ask DearERP the same thing. Let's see what it will do. So let me discard this. Okay. In sales order, when I select a customer, I want to see their email under their name. Please do it. Let's see what it will do. So basically, this is pretty useful for some people who doesn't know coding, and they have some requirements but they doesn't know how to do that. So this simple command is nothing but they are just telling what they need. So this dear ERP understands it for them and it will do the job for them, so that even if you don't know anything, you can simply ask it and it will do the job for you. This is how it works. Okay, it has done something. Let's see what it says. I have successfully customized. Okay, it has customized the sales order form to display the customer's email address directly below their name. When you select a customer, okay, custom field, okay, it declared some custom field, so it is giving me the technical details as well. Okay, related field, okay, character, okay, how it works. Okay, this is what I want. When you open a sales order and select a customer, you'll now see their email address displayed in a gray text below their name. Okay. This email appears with a small envelope icon for easy identification. If the customer doesn't have an email, nothing is displayed. This works for both existing and new sales orders. Okay, let me see. It is saying me to refresh my browser to see the changes take effect. Okay, I'll refresh my browser. Let it refresh. Okay, it's refreshing. Might be taking time to load the changes. Now it's ready, I think. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so now when I click new here, it should open a form. Okay, so where is the email here? Okay, let me see. I'll select test customer. Wow, there is an email coming here. Okay, if I select test customer 2, okay, it is showing the customer emails properly. If I say administrator, okay, this administrator doesn't have an email, so it's not showing here. Wow, see, it has done the job for me. So yeah, works good. Let me ask it to correct the view because I don't find it clean. Please make the view proper. Enter. Let's see whether it corrects or not. Okay, so this is all for this video. Hope you find this helpful. So if you are new here, please follow us. Please click on the subscribe button. Please join our community to see the new things. So if you want to get notified once a new video gets uploaded, please click on the bell icon as well. Give us a like, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.